ICCT stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this from in the video till the end to find out. So big correction today. It's not like it was not expected. Let's be honest. It's filling in a gap. iCoreConnect. I've done well over 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel. 5 figures invested in courses and mentors, and still generally looking at ICCT. The one thing that I was waiting to do is obviously buy here as long as the price gave me a double break inside this demand zone, and it actually just kept melting, you know. And all I want to say is that since we're in a bearish technically range, only if there's shift like above here am I actually gonna look to take things up. Other than that, everything else is noise. So let me know what is your opinion on ICCT. What I'll keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So let me know what is your opinion. Like, obviously rules must be met in order for me to continue. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.